Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve x power 6 is equals to root 2 power root 2. So let's find out the solution of this interesting problem. So in the first step, I am going to take power 6 both sides. Now according to exponent rule, a power n is equals to a power mn or a power n power m. So we can write this as x power 6 whole power x power 6 is equals to root 2 whole power 6 root 2. Now x power 6 whole power x power 6 is equals to 6 root 2. I can write it as 2 times 3 root 2. So root 2 power 2 times 3 root 2. Again, if I'm using this property, a power m, so we can write it as 2 root 2 whole power 3 root 2. Now x power 6 whole power x power 6 is equals to 2 root 2 whole power 3 times root 2. We can write it as root 2 times root 2 times root 2, which is equals to 2 root 2. Now, if we compare both sides, x power 6 is equals to 2 root 2. Now, x power 6 is equals to 2 multiply root 2. X power 6 is equals to 2 power 1 multiply 2 power 1 by 2 we can write. According to exponent rule, a power m times a power n, we can write it as a power m plus n. So x power 6 is equals to 2 power 1 plus 1 by 2. X power 6 is equals to 2 power 3 by 2. Now I'm going to multiply with 1 by 6 power both sides. So x is equals to 2 power 1 by 4 or x is equals to 4 through 2. So the value of x is positive 4 through 2 or negative 4 through 2. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.